Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the essential steps of business process mapping. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, this guide will help you streamline your operations and boost efficiency. Step 1. Identify the process to be mapped. The first step is to pinpoint the specific process you want to map. This could be anything from customer service to supply chain management. Step 2. Gather information. Collect all the necessary information about the process. This includes talking to stakeholders, observing the process in action, and reviewing any existing documentation. Step 3. Define the process steps. Break down the process into individual steps. Clearly define what needs to be done at each stage to ensure nothing is overlooked. Step 4. Choose the appropriate mapping tool. Select a tool that fits your needs. It could be a simple flowchart or a more complex diagram, depending on the process's complexity. Step 5. Create the initial process map. Using the information and tools you've gathered, create the first draft of your process map. This will serve as a visual representation of the process. Step 6. Validate the process map. Share the initial map with stakeholders and team members to ensure accuracy. Make sure it reflects the actual process and gather feedback for improvements. Step 7. Refine and finalize the map. Incorporate the feedback and make necessary adjustments. Finalize the map to ensure it is as accurate and efficient as possible. Step 8. Communicate and implement. Share the final process map with all relevant parties and begin the implementation. Ensure everyone understands their roles and responsibilities within the process. This video was sponsored by HEFLO, a cloud platform that provides artificial intelligence features for automating and documenting business processes. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos about management and business processes. See you next time.